Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is MAKIA Forex. I'm going to give you guys 3 reasons why I don't use indicators when I'm trading Forex. The first reason is that indicators are misleading. It means you can't trust indicators whenever you're trading Forex. Whether you're using the SMA or you're using MACD or using whatever indicator you're using, these things can be misleading, especially when you've put a lot of money on the line and you just like, because you see some signals on the indicators and you just want to like enter a trade. Before you want to realize, the trade goes in the other direction and you're out of the trade completely. So that's the first reason why I don't use indicators when I'm trading Forex. So here's the second reason why I don't use indicators when I'm trading Forex. Indicators are either lagging or leading. When I mean lagging, I mean it's like they kind of like give you signals when the trend is already moving, and leading in the sense that they might give you signals before the trend is even moving. So you may get into a trade early or you may get into a trade late. Indicators like the SMA, EMAs, they give you late signals. That means you're coming into a trade late already. Indicators like MACD, they may give you early signals. It means you may come into a trade early and you want to be trading on time. You don't want to go in early, you don't want to go in late, because all these things will play out bad on your risk management or on your risk to reward ratio whenever you're trading Forex. That is the second reason. The third reason why I don't use the indicators when I'm trading Forex is that they are all working hand in glove with price action. So I use price action when I'm trading Forex. I don't use indicators, and I use the demand supply method, and I also have my other small edges which I use to trade Forex. So if the indicators depends on price action, why don't I just use price action directly? Why do I have to go ahead and use indicators again, which it still depends on price action? That's also one reason. The last reason, which I didn't want to like put it, is that in case if there's market news, man, in case if there's market news and you're using an indicator to trade, and that's your only edge, and you don't even know about the news, all these things, it's over. So as a Forex trader, you have to know about market news. You have to know that indicators will not respect the news, because when the news is being released, it will just cause like everything will just become distorted in your SMA, whatever thing that you're doing. Is your SMA, your stochastics, whatever indicator that you're using, you just see things start moving funny, and you won't be able to predict the actual direction of the market, because everything will depend on the news and price action at that particular time period. So at the end of the day, I've realized that the best thing to do is to focus on naked charts, use your price action, set your zones, set your buy zones, your sell zones, and just trade Forex like that. If price does not reach your zone, you do not trade. If price comes to your zone, you take your trade. Trade if it goes in your direction or not. If it goes in your direction, you make your, let's say, 3:1 risk to reward. If it doesn't go to your direction, you lose your 1, or you lose your 1 or 2% of your account. That was how it is. And if you're a good trader, and if you know how the market moves, if you have mastered your pairs, that you trade well, you won't be able to lose many trades in a row. Sometimes we have losing streaks, we have winning streaks, but the most important thing is that we are consistent when we are trading Forex and we're making profits on a constant basis. So that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about it? Leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.